This is my first YouTube live. How's everyone doing? So we're here in Montem. Today's a little bit cloudy day. Actually, it's very dark. and some smog after the rain, smoke effect. So here we have some flowers. Sorry if you get a bit dizzy trying the zooming and unzooming. Testing the camera quality of the phone. Wow, if you zoom this much, it gets a little bit blurry. But if you unzoom, it'll be better. So I'm not sure if my upload speed is good for this live. Is it any good? We will have to see. Sorry about the outside noise. There's this guy who's cutting the grass. And here we have this pond. The mountain air is really fresh. It's good that the light adjusts itself on this phone. Let's see what other features we have. Oh, on this live we can choose a different lighting. So this is the beam lighting. This is the blush lighting. This is the pop. This is the normal. So do you like normal or do you like the pop? Pop will bring out the color. Let's see if there's glow. Glow will dim it a little bit. And glamorous is really glamorous. And sepia. Ooh, sepia. Okay, so I like this pop. Pop color is good because it brings out the color, it pops it out. So here we are. I'm not sure about the internet speed. Is the speed okay? We've been live for 4 minutes and 12 seconds. Yeah, I don't know how it's looking back home when people are watching my live. Yeah. So does anybody wants to send a comment? I'll test this live for 5 minutes and a bit just to see how good the reception is. Up here in the mountains, the reception is not that good. So, you know, basically I'm testing the reception of the upload speed by doing live, and also testing the camera quality on my phone. Oh, and the zoom. Zoom is really fast. It just zooms fast. Whoa. The zooming is quite difficult. So I'm not using any handheld, just using my hands, no tripod or nothing. So is it quite stable? Is it getting busy for people to see? I don't know. Okay, now let's pop back into the normal color. So this is the normal color. So I don't know whether the viewers like the normal color or the pop color. Or do you want the beam? Is the beam okay? Does the beam color looks good or not? Pop. Okay. This is normal. This is pop. Pop will bring out the color more. Just holding the phone like this is kind of tiring. Okay, we've gone over 7 minutes 48 seconds. So this phone, it picks up the light, it adjusts the lighting by itself, which is really good, and it adjusts it in like matters of seconds. Not bad. So now we've gone past 8 minutes 53, 54 seconds. Try to do it for 10 minutes then. My hand's getting really tired. Finally, that guy stopped cutting grass. Okay, so hopefully it won't be that noisy. But what about the motorcycle noise? Can you pick up the motorcycle noise? Okay, all right then. Bye.